I was able to repair this wall by setting the block back slightly and leaning them back so that they might resist some of the forces on the back of the wall. This is the way I should have done the wall in the first place. This is where the wall is not set back too well, and it doesn't have proper drainage behind it. It's sort of pushing out a little bit. One of the important things I wanted to do when I repaired this wall, it's a solid stone wall, was I wanted to stagger the gaps. Notice that I have one block in the middle of a large one, and then all the other blocks traverse the other ones. That was to make sure that there's some connections that are strong, and I don't care about the small gaps because that's going to allow some drainage. These are the only stones I had, so I used them.